Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nuraisa binti Muhammad Zul. So now I will present to you activity-based costing. So activity-based costing we know as ABC. So what the meaning of ABC is identify in an organization and assign the cost of each activity to all the product and the services. So we know the ABC is assigned the more indirect cost, or we know as overhead, to into the direct cost compare the conventional costing. We have a 4 types: unit labor, batch labor, product labor, and facility labor. So for the difference based on the ABC with conventional costing is a cost driver. The traditional in ABC actually we use the multiply cost driver such as a server setup, expectation, or order to give indirect cost to the product. For the conventional actually we use the cost driver as a direct labor to the machine hours to calculate indirect cost to the product. So for the accuracy, actually the ABC provide a more accurate view of the cost behavior to identifying and giving the cost based on the activity that they generate them. That's they have a two. This is a two differences. Activity based costing with conventional costing. That's all for me. Thank you.
Traditional costing method is an accounting method used to determine cost of making product to make a profit based on allocating overhead, manufacturing cost. For example, cost of cleaning up. The difference between traditional costing method and ABC is, first, traditional costing method is more detailed analysis of the relationship between overhead cost and cost driver. Secondly, the traditional costing method work well for financial statement reporting, where it is simply intended to apply overhead.
Cost driver in activity-based costing ABC. Cost driver are factors or variable causing or driving that generates cost which relates to each activity. Important of cost driver in ABC is can allow management to better understand a company's expenses. By directing the exact source of different expenses, companies can help to reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses. Without proper allocation of the cost driver, it can be meaningless to compare the cost of different products and services. Next is, activity cost driver are also important in projecting costs. For example, if management receive a sale order for a certain number of units, they can pinpoint exactly how much it is going to cost to fulfill that order.
I will explain 3 advantages activity-based costing or ABC. Number 1 is activity profitability, which is can identify process that lead to waste in the production of the product so that we can make improvement in the future production. Number 2 is better product pricing. The company can work to enhance product pricing with insight into manufacturing overhead. Furthermore, the business can adjust the price of its product as necessary with additional data. Number 3 is make better decision, which is about to increasing product profitability by making it more expensive and worthwhile. Also, we have 2 disadvantages activity-based costing or ABC. The first one is expensive to implement because it takes time to collect and prepare data because you need to collect a large amount of data. Second is internal reporting only, which is internal reporting allows the company to gain insight into costs. However, it does not share information to other parties.